Hey there, I'm Sir Class and welcome to another tutorial on SCtuts. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a chilled and easy Afrobeat type beat in FL Studio. Hit the subscribe button and let's get started. Before we get started, there are resources for this tutorial that you can download. The link in the description below. It contains some drum kits and a Midi chord pack that you can just download and follow along easily. And also, I'm inviting you to my Telegram community where I host free monthly master classes. You can join in, learn more, and even interact with like-minded people like yourself and share your songs for reviews and feedbacks and much more. All right, now let's get started. All right, so we're going to start with building the drums. Here I have my kick, my percussions, and my rim shot. So I'm going to start by laying the groove. My tempo right here is 98 BPM, so we're going to start with laying this for my rim shot. It's typical Afrobeat loop for the rim shot. I'm going to stand out a little. Alright, that is it for our drums. Really simple. Then I'm going to add a shaker loop. Alright, I think that sounds good, and I'll move on to our chords and melodies. So for our chords, I'll be using Lounge Lizard, and I have a free Afro chord pack which I'll link in the description below as well, that you can use for your chord progressions as well. So simply drag and drop this and see how it sounds. I like it. We're gonna adjust it a little bit. Select this, try and make it somewhat realistic, strum it a little with alternate S. Then we're going to reduce the length a little so it doesn't run into each other. Click none, back it up a little. Really good. And then I'm going to render that. And we have our chords, easy peasy. Now move on to melodies. All right, so now we're going to create melodies, and we're going to start with the counter melody. That is this sound right here from Purity. And then we're going to record this, create a pattern, have it right here, and this is what we're going to record. Let's just try out something and see how it sounds. I think I prefer that. This is just like off the bat. I think I like what happened here. Let's see if I can do something like that for this. I think that's really fire. I think I like that. Now we're going to move on to creating another melody, then add a pad. So for the next melody, we're going to have to extend this some more because it's going to take a lot of space, and you see why. I'm going to create an empty track, and then it's actually a saxophone from Purity. All right, now so let's record something dope. All right, let's see what we can make out of this madness I just played. We'll quantize, Ctrl Q. All right, so I'm going to render this sound. Render and replace. Then I'm going to link it up to the mixer and turn it to a radio effects. Then I'll add lots of reverb. Increase the decay. All right, so I have this melody right here, and then now I'm going to lay in my pad. All right, so now we're going to add our pad, and we're going to be using this preset from Korg Triton Extreme Simple Sine Pad. And all we're going to do, we're just going to paste the chord progression in here, and then let's hear how it sounds first. All right, sounds good. Then we're just going to dump it right here, and then we hear the whole project right now. All right, so now we're going to head into structure. We're going to make this a full beat. Let's go there. All right, so this is the basic structure for the intro. This here right here is the intro. Then this is for the verse. This 16 bars is for the verse. Then sorry, the 8 bars for the verse, and then the 16 bars for the hook. Now what I did that is different was the original melody, this melody, I pitched it down. I created a new unique pattern, and I pitched it down to sound like this. You can see I pitched it down. And this is how it sounds like. And added a bass line just from the chords. These notes are from the chords. If you can see, they're from the chords. All right. So that's pretty much it. Then we're going to create multiple verses and hooks with it. Now we have a second verse, and then we can break this up right here, take out the drums to create something like a bridge. So it depends. The artist may want a guitar solo right here. There may be some vocal chants and whatever right here. Then the chorus comes back again, and then the song ends with the chorus. So this is a basic structure for a very catchy song. Really simple structure, straightforward. I didn't use drum roll because sometimes I don't use drum rolls or crash or transitions to my beats. I just allow the way the energy moves to just let you feel like a part is coming to an end and a part is starting. So that's pretty much how I arrange my beats sometimes, and I hope this helps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up so other people that need this video right here on YouTube can easily find it on YouTube. And also you can hit the subscribe button to keep up to date as I release free tutorials almost every day right here on YouTube with kits, loops, packs, and so much more that you're going to surely benefit from. All right, now don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and join the Telegram community with the link in the description below. Cheers.